So what was the first time? When did you go to courthouse for the first time? Was you been?
I split. Not them days there. And the police want me to split.
Yeah.
I go court and I'm not go court, I'm not even in card.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Manners and prayers. Welcome back.
Hey guys, what's up? What's good? So guys, as the title suggests, today we are at the courthouse. Babes, what did you do wrong? We're at the courthouse, guys.
We come to court for justice.
Come to court for justice.
Yes, nothing wrong. We come for justice.
Guys, we are at this, I guess it's a historical site in Ochi, right? Called the Courthouse Gallery. So it was the old courthouse in Ochi.
Yes, right here.
It's now been refurbished and turned into a gallery and a restaurant. A really great place. So we're going to explore it today. And yeah, I think it only opened in December of last year. So it's fairly new. I just stumbled across it on Instagram, to be honest, and because we live so close, we have to come and check it out, right, and support.
I mean, you need to know what's
you need to know what's going on too.
Yeah, what place?
Yeah, so it's a courthouse gallery. Check them out on Instagram. So we're gonna have a look, maybe grab a bite to eat, and see what's going on. So yeah, we'll take you with us, guys.
You know what thing go? Up the way I spring go.
So yeah, so there's some information. The Courthouse Ocherius, which was established in 1890. Yeah. So a lot of information there. And then, sadly in 2005, the courthouse was finally abandoned by the Ministry of Justice and all cases were transferred to the Senans Bay Courthouse. Oh, so the main court is in Senans Bay?
Yeah, right now.
Right, okay.
So this brother not around again. He's not around.
Yeah, so that's some information about the courthouse and the history of it.
But the hammer is still there.
I guess it's been closed since 2005, right? And then only opened back in December. I'm guessing, but I'll ask and find out. Yeah, what do you think, innit? Oh, really? That's good. So there's gallery, lots of different artwork, which is amazing. Yeah. What's great is that these are all like, I guess, locally produced artists, local artists, right? So you can support. Yeah. Look at this man. He wants a photo next to the dog. It's a video. Yeah, so lots of pieces. What's this? Urchins. German to urchins. Okay. Oh, I like this. Yeah, as Outlaw says, Mama. Yeah, beautiful. Excuse me more. And then next to each is some information about the artist, Portland woman. The artist, the name of the painting or the portrait. Yeah. 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 And then upstairs is the cafe. So we're gonna go and have a look at that. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
Very nice.
Oh, I really like this one. Oh, I love this one. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, I like it. It's nice. upstairs now. There's Mr. Man there.
So police them used to send up brothers and call names. So when the name call inside, they say John Brown. Somebody at the door says John Brown. Another police says John Brown. So anywhere around the place John Brown is, step up to the kid.
To go in, right?
Yes.
So this would be the body of the court, I guess, right? Up here. But it's lovely up here, rustic feel. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. And again, got your artwork on the walls. Oh, look at this, people. I like this. You see what it says? In Ganja we trust, Bank of Jamaica. And again, all around, you've still got artwork up here. Beautiful artwork as well. Beautiful artwork as well. Yeah, true. Comfy couches you can come and sit down in. Yeah. Beautiful. And then from here you can still see the gallery downstairs. So it's lovely up here. So we're going to try out some of the coffee. We heard the coffee up here is really good. It's from Blue Mountain,
Yeah, so
but it's a different brand.
Yes.
But from Blue Mountain, so we're going to try some of that and see what else there is. Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so here's the menu. Lots of different things. Paninis and bagels. Lunch menu, salads. Hummus and pita bread. And then this one, I'm going to try the Blue Mountain coffee. Yeah. So we're going to try this Blue Mountain pressed coffee and see what that's like. View from outside. You see towers over there. The mountains.
Looking out from the
Outside.
gallery. Why not? Yeah, so this part of what you call Woolworth. Everybody know this part of what you has Woolworth. Oh, that's right there. Yes. Landmark. Respect.
Landmark.
That's what we're looking for. Landmark. Everybody know that. That's years of the landmark. Woolworth. Woolworth is not there again still, but
It's still referred to.
everybody
as that, right?
refer down here as Woolworth. I go down at Woolworth. Meet me down at Woolworth. Right, that's the matter. Yes.
Okay guys, so here we have our coffee, our Blue Mountain coffee. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to trying this. And I got a slice of carrot cake. I think Outlaw's gonna have to help me with this because it's big. It's huge.
Second time I come in a courthouse.
So hold on. Second time you come to the courthouse? This one or courthouse in general?
Courthouse in general.
So what was the first time? When did you go to courthouse for the first time? Was you been?
I split. Not them days there. And the police want me to split.
Yeah.
I go court and not to go court, I not to hear my name card.
Yeah.
Not to know if the police me never to sign up, but I never hear my name card.
Yes. What did you do? Just walk out?
Yeah, from here.
So you wasn't tried by the judge?
No,
For a spliff?
I didn't hear my name card.
Okay.
So I go home back. I go
Okay.
cook food and eat.
So your second time in the courthouse?
Yes, and the second time now is to come have coffee.
Yeah, but this is the courthouse gallery.
I got no problem, it's still the courthouse.
Yeah.
It is known as a courthouse.
Yeah.
So, not bored.
It's coffee time, right? Let's see if the coffee tastes as good as it smells. Right guys, so I'm gonna try the coffee, right? It's real good. Yeah, it's really good. What's the name of this? Do you remember what the name of it is?
Blue Mountain coffee?
Yeah, but it's there's those Blue Mountain coffees, but it's a particular type.
I remember.
Right, we must have another look. But guys, it's really good. It's good. Let me try the cake. Quite a lot in it. It's like I'm greedy.
Oh, really? Try it. Good to go?
I've got a sweet tooth anyway, so it's going to be good for me.
Everything down. Okay. Yes, the people sit here. Carrot cake and coffee.
Good combination.
Work for her. Nice. You know what I think when I left for coffee, you know?
Push him slap now, people. Push him slap. Not too bad today.
This coffee remember when we were smaller, we used to go sleep over my auntie's house because she had only live. Yeah, so we have to go down and sleep with her at night time.
Yeah.
And go back on my mother's house at morning time. This coffee reminds me of the coffee we used to get when I was morning time. A cup of coffee with a piece of bread. Break a piece of bread and give me with a cup of coffee before we leave our house. We go back to my house. Yes, so every morning when we wake up, we get a cup of coffee. And she break a piece of bread give me. So a cup of coffee and a piece of bread. This reminds me of the coffee. Yeah, man, this reminds me of the coffee. You get it?
What you say now? What do you say about the cake?
This tastes different from the rest.
Yeah, we're saying it's not so sweet like normal carrot cake. It's not
nice
sweet.
Blend.
Yeah.
It's flavory. Nice. I love that. I love this. Yes. I'll get back here and come eat back on the side of this.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Coffee is good, cake is good. This is, I think next time
It's a little flavor. Cheesecake.
Yeah, kind of. You like
But it's not
cheesecake as
sweet
well,
like
but
that.
it's not sweet.
No, you got to
Yeah.
flavor like that.
Yeah. The next time we come, guys, I'm definitely going to try this. This was the recommendation. Where is it? Here. Curry Aki. I don't know if you can see it. Curry Aki and callaloo on cocoa bread. That's meant to be really good. Curry Aki and callaloo on cocoa bread. So next time. Alright, so there's Turtle River Park there. Just to show you how close it is. You got the Texaco, and it's just across from the Texaco right there. So the courthouse gallery. Yeah. Guys, we've just left the courthouse.
Just come from courthouse.
Just coming from courthouse. Didn't think I'd be saying that. But for all the right reasons. The courthouse gallery in the heart of Otrius. Guys, check it out. Check it out. Yeah.
You can get a good cup of coffee in a courthouse.
It is a good cup of coffee. Good food. Yeah, nice gallery.
Nice little carrot cake.
He said it's the best carrot cake that he's ever had. So, yeah.
There is something. It's all in the courthouse.
All in the courthouse. So yes, guys, check out the courthouse gallery. We will be back to that courthouse. Definitely going back to that courthouse.
We need to taste a few more things on here.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I heard the passion fruit juice is really good as well. That was recommended. So next time we're gonna have that.
Yes.
So yeah, guys, if you're in Ochi or in the surrounding areas and you'd like us to take you there, of course, that said Island Tours Jamaica will take you there. But if you're in the area otherwise, go and check them out. Tell them that Outlaw and Deezer sent you from datmisehtv, sent you there.
I don't know everything go. Round the way I swing go.
Yes. So guys, please do like the video, share, subscribe, comment, and definitely subscribe.
A piece of the ad you can watch that too.
A little piece of that as a 30
seconds. You don't have to go too deep into something. Not too deep, but you can do a piece of that. Because you know something to go with it. Yes.
Yes, please.
Piece of that.
Alright guys, we hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and until next time,
that is it.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.